Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is SpyFu. So to get started with a quick review and a breakdown about this platform, SpyFu is a keyword search and a competitive analysis tools that show what keywords your competitors rank for and how much they spend on ads. It's especially helpful for SEO and PPC, which is pay-per-click marketers who want to uncover hidden opportunities. Spy is a rival strategist and improve their own website traffic. So you just enter a domain or a keyword, and SpyFu gives you insight like a top performing keyword, blank list, ad copy, and estimated monthly clicks. So in 2025, SpyFu remains one of the best tools for competitors focused on keyword search, especially for small businesses and marketers on a budget. It's a pricing affordable compared to tools like SEMrush and Href, and it offers a unlimited search on the topic and the basic plan. While its data isn't always as deep as premium tools, its strength lies in showing exactly what your competitors are doing, making it a smart choice if you want fast, actionable insight without overpaying. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these SEO tools. And that's it.